shall be as follows. In the case of a widow or widower, up to the date of death or remarriage, whichever is earlier. Second, in case of a son, until he attains the age of 21 years. Admittedly, son of the this is the employee's major minor. Until she gets married, which